Once, way back then when I was young, felt so easy with someone. Thought I'd never be alone, never again. Home, it's what he told me he felt home. I could read it all upon his pretty face that he would always be my friend. I should have listened to that feeling, then I wouldn't have gone. Their advice was so well-meaning, but in the end I got all wrong. Now I'm standing by the fire again, among my friends with Christmas candles, shaking hands. They've got all that I couldn't be, alone under my Christmas tree.